Hi everyone, it's Dean. Welcome to our daily devotional. Today is March the 9th. Deception comes in many forms, but from only one source, the devil. See, the enemy, the devil, hates truth, and he has spent thousands of years trying to keep teenagers from seeing and experiencing what Jesus gave his life to provide for each of us. What did he do? What's he talking about there? True freedom. You see, I believe that the truth of the gospel can be summed up in its totality in one word: love. If you find yourself confused or deceived today, you might want to take some time and receive his love all over again. When you are filled with the love of God, deception cannot take up residence in your heart. Remember, when you or me or anyone else is deceived, we are unable to see the truth, and it's the truth that sets us free. Today's word, John chapter 8, verse 32, "And you shall know the truth, and the truth shall make you free." I'll see you tomorrow. God bless you.